All right, guys, so this is our mini bike frame. We're gonna be rebuilding it again. I took it all apart, stuff like that. We're gonna be doing a different motor this time, and so yeah, we're gonna change the color as well. So right now I already scuffed it up, cleaned it up. We're gonna be primering it. And normally I don't show you guys the builds, but I figure this time I got a lot of people asking. So yeah, don't forget to get some merch too. We got hats, hoodies, beanies, shirts, everything. We got everything, so make sure to get yourself some. So here we go. I'm gonna be using this one, Transstar Automotive, and yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Let me just finish shaking this can up a little bit, and let me show you guys over here real fast. So this is the wheel setup I'm gonna be using. We're gonna be using the TriStars. This is the front wheel we're gonna use, which is the same as we had before, but our rear wheel is now gonna be a real beefy big wheel. It's not gonna be this tire. I have a brand new tire for it, but it's a little smaller than this one. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing now. That's gonna be our build now. So it's gonna be a bigger bike, bigger parts, and yeah. Over here we have a bike that we're gonna be selling. Actually, both of these bikes we're gonna be selling here. Let's see. We have this Pullman CT200 that we swapped a brand new Predator in, straight chain. This one's pretty cool. I might make a video with it before I sell it. And then we got another Grom clone. This one right here is a 190. So that's a 190 swap in it. And right now it's taken apart because I'm putting in a new clutch, a race clutch. The billet shifting little arm in there, because these 190s are known for little shifting problems. I already redid the carb, a bunch of stuff on it, new cable. So I'll show you more on this one before I sell this one too. And then we have two different exhaust setups to go with. Either one we have to modify, but so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing too. These are other little builds. Just figured I'd show you guys real quick. Let me cover them up because it's been raining like crazy over here. So cover them. All right, let's get back to our mini bike. So okay. All right, so we'll let that sit a little bit and then we'll get back to it. All right, we started putting the color on it. Now we're gonna put the last coat. It's a real nice gray. So that's the color we're going with. So let's finish her off. Make sure you get good coverage since this is the last coat. Gotta make sure to get it good. Yeah, this one's gonna look real nice. Okay, make sure we got I would hate to paint this, then clear it, and then be missing paint. So it's always good to look around, double check before we complete it. Okay. Okay, I believe it's done now. So that's the color we're going with. So we gotta let this, it's wet right now so it looks shiny, but once it dulls down, then we'll get the automotive 2K clear on it. But this color is called Gray Frost. That's the color I went with. And yeah, stay tuned for the next part. All right, we got the frame all painted up. It's all cleared and everything already. So that's all done. And then I have the gas tank right here, done. Here's the adapter, I have that done. And then I have the wheels done. Look, these things came out nice. I don't know if the camera does justice to these, but these things are clean. Yeah, so now we're just gonna let this dry for a day or two. And then after we let it dry, then when we get the rest of our parts, we can start assembling this. So that's just our little process, our little progress on this. We already have our new seat as well. So that's just the progress on this. And yeah, don't forget you guys, get some merch, hats, hoodies, beanies. I got everything, shirts, support the channel and my company. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.